I welcome you all in our today's offline lecture on class 11th information practices, and the topic is printer and its types. In this topic we will understand what are printers, what is the function of printers, what are its classification of printers, and what are their types of different types of printers. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher, BHSS Dragmulla. Now started, what is a printer? A printer is an output device that prints characters, symbols and graphics. So what is a printer? It is an output device. It is used by computer to communicate with us. It gives output in the form of information on paper. The printer output is called hard copy. After printing we receive a hard copy. Printer resolution is commonly measured in dots per inch. The quality of printing, the resolution of printing is measured in the quantity which is known as dots per inch. In short, it is written as DPI. So the quality of printers is written in quantity which is known as dots per inch, in short DPI. So what are the printers? Printers are an output device that prints characters, symbols and graphics on paper. It gives us hard copy. It gives us hard copy in the form of a paper output in the form of a paper. A printer is an external output device that takes data from computer and generates output in the form of graphics, text on a paper. So a printer, I repeat students, a printer is an external output device that takes data from a computer and generates output in the form of graphics, text on a paper. So output on a paper is known as hard copy, and this is the function of a printer, to give us hard copy of a document on paper. In the screen students, you are seeing different types of printers, and we will understand one by one the different classification and types of computer printers. Now types of printers, you can say these are classification of printers. Printers are classified into two types. One is the category of impact printers and another is a category of non-impact printers. Students, I repeat, printers are classified into two types. One is the category of impact printers and another is the category of non-impact printers. Here is a complete analogy of printers on the screen. Printers have been classified into two types: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are of three types: dot matrix printer, line printer, daisy wheel printer. You can say these are examples of impact printers: dot matrix printers, line printers and daisy wheel printers. Similarly, in non-impact printers, there are laser printers, there are inkjet printers, there are thermal printers, there are photo printers, there are portable printers, there are label printers. So all these fall in the category of non-impact printers. So students, we will understand what are impact printers. An impact printer, remember students, every printer has a print head which strikes a ribbon and we get the output on a paper. In impact printers, an impact printer works like a typewriter. It prints characters or images by striking a print hammer or set of pins against an inked ribbon. The ink is pressed from the ribbon on the paper to produce the output. So in impact printers, a hammer or set of pins are struck on an inked ribbon and the ink is then pressed on the paper to produce the output. This is impact printer. You can say there is an impact between printer head and paper. In the category of impact printers, there is striking of printer head and paper. The printers in which there is a impact of printer head and paper, these types of printers are referred to as impact printers. Impact printers are the oldest print technologies which are still produced. The impact printers are used where low cost printing is required. Impact printers are used till today where we require low cost printing. The most common form of impact printers are dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printers and line printers. Now we will understand them one by one. The term dot matrix refers to a process of using dots to form an image. In the dot matrix printers, dots are used to form an image. In a dot matrix image, the image quality is determined by the numbers of dots per inch. How many dots are produced by a printer per inch? A dot print X printer creates characters by striking pins against ink ribbon. Each pin makes a dot and combination of dots form characters and illustrations. So in dot matrix printers, striking pin strikes ink ribbons and makes a dot, and the combination of various dots makes graphics, illustrations and various characters. This is much like a typewriter. Dot matrix do not provide high quality output. As they are in the form of dots, they do not produce high quality output. Next in the category of impact printers are line printers. Line printers is a type of impact printers. It is a fast impact printers. It prints the entire line at a time. As the dot matrix printer prints only a dot at a time, unlike it, the line printers entire line at a time. The speed measured in line per minute. The speed of line printer is measured in line per minute. How many lines are printed per minute? They can print 300 to 3000 lines per minute. So the speed of line printers is about 300 to 3000 lines per minute. Next in the category of impact printers are daisy wheel printers. Daisy wheel printing is an impact printing technology invented in 1969. It is similar to a typewriter. It uses a print wheel. The print wheel is daisy wheel. So these were the oldest technology of impact printing invented in 1969. Similarly as that of typewriter uses a print wheel, the print wheel is daisy wheel. So we will start our next category of non-impact printer. A non-impact printer is a type of printer where the print head does not strike the paper. So non-impact printers are those printers where print head does not make any impact with the paper. The characters are printed on paper with different means such as laser. Some printers spray ink while others use heat and pressure to create image. So students, in the category of non-impact printers, printers does not make an impact between print head and paper. They use different type of technology such as laser, spraying ink with heat and pressure to create image. These non-impact printers are faster than impact printers, however they are more costly. They produce no noise as they do not make any impact between print head and paper, so there is no noise during printing. The printer quality of non-impact printer is better than impact printer. Different non-impact printer are as follows: laser printer, thermal printer, inkjet printer, photo printer and label printer are some types of non-impact printer, and we will discuss them one by one. First is laser printer. They are the most important forms of types of printers used today. A laser printer is a type of non-impact printer that uses a laser and electric charge model instead of traditional printing of ink on paper. So in the category of laser printer, the printer head does not make any impact with paper. Instead it uses a laser and electric charge model to print ink on paper. Its working is similar to photocopying machine. Laser printer prints complete page at a time. It is also known as page printer. It prints complete page at a time. The printing speed is 12 to 45 page per minute. Its print text and graphics is high quality resolution. A typical laser printer produces a 1200 dpi or more. It does not make much noise. So they are the most important types of printers used today. They have high resolution, they print entire page at a time, they produce quality output, they do not make any noise. Next, in the type of non-impact printers are inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are a category of printers in which printing is done with the help of inkjet technology. So we use inkjet technologies to produce output in case of inkjet printers. The technology works by spraying ionized ink directed by magnetic plates onto the paper, which is fed through the printer. So that inkjet technology works by spraying ionized ink is ionized and directed by magnetic plates onto the paper. They are commonly used at home and business printers. These printers can produce quality text and graphics in black and white and color photos. Inkjet printer produces a resolution of 600 dpl or more. Its price is less than laser printer. Most inkjet printers can print 10 to 35 pages per minute. Next in the line are thermal printers. A thermal printer is a printer that makes use of heat in order to produce the image on paper. They use the heat to produce the image on paper. Due to the quality of print, speed and technology advances, it has become increasingly popular and is mostly used in airline, banking, entertainment, retail, grocery and healthcare industries. Next is photo printer. Photo printer is a color printer designed to print high quality photographs. It is also called snapshot printer. Some photo printer prints photo 1 or 2 size only. For example, some photo printer prints photos of 3 into 4 inches. So printer has the photo printers are those printers which print quality photographs. Next in the category of non-impact printers are portable printers. Portable printers is a small, lightweight and battery-powered printer. It can be used by mobile phones to print image from notebook, computer, tablet, smartphone while traveling. So portable printers are the class of non-impact printers which we can print while traveling, uses a lightweight, is a small, lightweight and uses a battery. It can be used to print from notebook, computers, smartphones while traveling. And last in the category of non-impact printers are label printers. Label printer is a small printer. It prints on adhesive type material that can be placed on different items like envelopes, packages, CDs, toys and many label printer also called barcode. So label printers are those small printers which are used to print labels. They print on adhesive materials which can be then placed on different items, like so they can be used to print barcodes, envelopes, packages and other items. They can also used in airlines to produce boarding passes and also used in other retail shops. So students, this is it from today's topic of printer, the classifications and their types. So students, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.